Good evening, everyone. Today we're just going to have a short discussion about distracted driving. Hopefully, everyone is having a wonderful day today because I want everyone to understand just how extremely important it is to have these types of conversations. As you know, the Cosmopolitan Rapid Transit Authority is, in fact, one of the largest rapid transit providers in the greater city of Melchizedek region. We have three different types of bus service: paratransit, local bus, as well as arterial rapid transit, bus rapid transit, as well as our on demand service. We also play a host to many types of rail agencies. We are some of which we are subsidiaries of, some of which we are part co-owners of, and then some of them are ours. For example, we own the entire local rail, circulator rail, and regional rail system. Parts of the regional rail is subsidiaries with other companies such as Barfield County Transit, the Alex World Light Metro System, and we also own streetcar system as well as the Durdansville streetcar, the City of Richmond streetcar, as well as the City of Melchizedek streetcar and the North Ferry streetcar. So with these palette of services, we thought it would be an excellent idea to educate our operators on how important it is to drive safe. As you know, there is a distraction avoidance policy that is completely into play here. As you know, it is prohibited for any person that is operating any vehicle or heavy machinery thereof to attempt to do any other task other than operating said vehicle. This policy is straight to the point because it cuts straight to the heart of distracted driving. So as you know, distracted driving is anything that could pose a distraction. You have your obvious eating, drinking, being on your phone. These are your obvious distractions. What a lot of you may not realize is that there may be some less obvious distractions to take into account here, such as the fact that it doesn't even require you to have your hands free from the wheel in order to be distracted. Engaging in conversations with passengers, searching up directions on your mobile data terminals, something as simple as talking to your dispatch or line supervisor, line manager, anywhere on from HOC while the vehicle is in motion can constitute distractions. And while we always say that communication is very important, there is nothing that trumps safety in the transportation space. Remember, your average transit vehicle is not like a car. It's not like driving a school bus either. It takes 40 cars to equal the weight of your average transit bus. So remember that when you're driving a transit bus, unlike a school bus, your bus is equivalent to the weight of 25 to up to 40 cars. And if you are operating a train, remember that you are on a steel-wheeled fixed right-of-way, and it can take as many as 100 your privately operated vehicle cars to equal the weight of some of those rail cars. So always remember what exactly you're wielding around here. This is much more than driving a car or a school bus. So please, for the love of God, do not be distracted. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the lights down here because we're going to watch a video in regards to our safety. Yeah, we're going to watch a video in regards to our safety and how important it is to stay safe while driving behind the wheel. Remember to avoid distracted driving at all times. Distracted driving is a deadly practice and involves the concentration on any activity other than driving. 4,000 people were killed in distracted driving collisions in 2015 and an additional 3,400 in 2016. Did you know that distracted driving is a deadly practice and it doesn't take much for a bad accident to occur? What you just witnessed here was the front surveillance camera of a bus that was traveling down I-70. Apparently, the operator thought it was a good idea to be on their phone while operating the bus. The bus then plummeted over an embankment and down into a gulch right behind Judea Springs Station. There were no survivors. Remember, never drive distracted. Distracted driving can include cognitive distractions, cell phone use, events outside your vehicle, and even conversations or reaching for devices within the vehicle. It can wait. Stop distracted driving now.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch.
As you can see here in these photos, there were no survivors as a result of this bus accident. This was the worst accident in the Cosmopolitan Rapid Transit Authority's history. There were no survivors, all because of the actions of one person. More than 11 lives were ripped apart, all because it didn't wait. Okay, so now that the video has been completed, we are going to wrap up here. It is extremely important that you are able to recognize what distracted driving is. So remember, distracted driving is the act of doing anything other than operating the motor vehicle while you are operating the motor vehicle. That means if you are operating a vehicle or any heavy machinery thereof, you should not have anything in your hands other than the steering wheel or the controlling mechanism. You should not be engaged in any other activities, such as anything that takes place outside of the vehicle, including engaging with passengers, whether you are on a bus or a rail mode of transportation. And you also should not, for any reason, engage in any type of telecommunications activity. This rule is extremely important. If you are operating a vehicle and you must engage in telecommunications activity, please stop the vehicle at once and then engage in said activity. Put the vehicle back in service, in gear, and then continue with your trip. Remember, do not put your passenger safety at risk. Thank you and have a wonderful day.